Hello everyone! Welcome to Andy's Art Venture Questland. Today we are drawing a character from My Little Pony series, Pony Applejack. As always, to begin, I use a slightly transparent brush to outline approximate volumes and body parts. To position the body parts more accurately, I add auxiliary lines to the torso and head. During drawing, you can come up with interesting details or change the pose if it seems too dull. In this case, I decided to make the pose more dynamic and put the pony's leg on some apple. Satisfied with the body, I move on to the head. I outline the nose, mouth and big expressive eyes. Now let's add mane, ear and head. I'm adding various details to the body parts and working on the tail. When all the details are more or less found and well drawn, it's time to erase the sketch with an eraser and outline with clean lines. In other words, create line art. Here I realized that I wasn't quite happy with her face, so I decided to adjust it. Now it's time to work on the apples. 3 of them are for a symbol on its flank, called a cutie mark, which represents their special talent or attribute. And 1 is under the hoof. The line art is finished. Now let's move on to adding colors. A small tip: if the base color is too light to distinguish it from the background, start by making it darker. Filling in what is needed and then adjust its brightness. To make the drawing even better, you can color the line art with colors slightly darker than the base color inside. This is very useful because colored lines add a special magic to the drawing. Base colors are done. Now let's add shadows and highlights. Let's make her eyes more expressive and add eyelashes. Add highlights and a few decorative elements around. Also add shadows and simulate a surface where our beauty is standing. Just a few more seconds and our charming Applejack is ready. I am really happy with the result. What do you think, friends? Do you like it? If so, I'm waiting for your likes. And also subscribe to the channel. There is a lot more interesting stuff ahead. Don't forget to be friendly, cause we all have the magic of friendship. That's all for today. Bye bye!